Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just showing you really quickly how I got this hairstyle. A quick slick back bun, sorry, and doing my edges as well. So if you want to know how to do it, you know, really quick hairstyle, carry on watching. And if you haven't seen my last video, which is the prank on my mum, which is the flower prank, and it's really funny, please feel free, have a look. The link will be in my description down below, and if you are new, remember to subscribe, like, comment, do your thing, show love, and thank you very much. Carry on watching. Hey guys, so what you need to start off with is using a comb and part your hair into the parting that you would like. And after you've done that, make sure you have a water spray. Spray your hair all over so that it's wet and easier to maintain. Use a soft brush and gently smooth your hair downwards on both sides. Making sure you get every area, as you want the slicked, sleek look. If you have to go over with more water, then do so. Make sure your hair is tightly put back. Go over using another soft brush to make sure your hair is flat. Have a hairband ready. Tie your hair back. You have to be careful because this is when curly hair people, their hairbands decide to break. Snap. Oh no, we have to do it again. So what you do now is carry on slaying your hair using the soft brush, just going over the areas to make sure that each area is very smooth, and gently tie your hair back using the hairband, slightly thicker, but make sure it's tight. Go over using some water. Here is when you can focus on your baby hairs. Use a soft brush and your fingers to help guide you. You can use gels, water, anything to help keep your baby hairs down, and hairspray. I'm just using water so that I don't create more issues with my skin. Focus on both sides wherever you want your baby hairs. You can fix the back of your hair, you can puff it out more, do whatever you want as long as you're happy. So here's the finished look, guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you're new. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye!